Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about initialization of a structure, part of programming in C course. In C programming, a structure can be initialized in two ways, at the time of declaration and after declaration. The structure members can be initialized at the time of declaration by using the following syntax. The structure members can be initialized after the declaration of the structure by using the following syntax. Accessing structure members. To access the members of a structure, you use the dot operator. The dot operator is used to specify the structure name followed by the member name. For example, consider the following code, which declares a structure named student and it accesses the members using the student structure. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.